This is a 2015 Sea Hunt BX22BR. It's one of our brokerage listings here at MarineMax in Seabrook. It's a great bay boat, great multi-use boat. It's got a 200 horse Yamaha. Nice swim platform. Garmin electronics. Extra seats in the back for your dinner cruising, rod holders, head compartment, lots of storage. Got an iPilot trolling motor on the front. Nice deep V to cut the chop. Now come check it out. It's a great boat. We offer financing in most states, and this boat has a nice aluminum trailer with it as well.